everybody, how you doing? It's Tony Gambino. Listen, I'm here today. I'm so excited. I get to announce this amazing discovery from the scientists at Acme Industries in their R&D department. They have come up with a cure for hypochondria. Now, you may not know what hypochondria is, and let me tell you what it is. It's when, you look at the TV set and you see a commercial for some kind of drug, and they tell it to you, and they tell you all the symptoms of the disease and everything else and the side effects, and suddenly you get that disease, it's in your head. It's like a fucking thing. It's this fucking anxious thing, this anxiety that happens in your head. Well, over here, Acme Industries, what they have done is they have come up with a new product. It's called You Got It All, and it's for the treatment of hypochondria. It's fucking amazing, let me tell you. You take one of these pills, and you can watch all kinds of crazy operations and everything else. You ain't gonna get no fucking diseases, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna be in your motherfucking head. That's what it is. It's called You Got It All. You can't believe it. I don't fucking believe it, but it's goddamn motherfucking true. You just take one of these every day, and no more are you gonna think like, oh Jesus Christ, I got some kind of fucking crazy ailment. It ain't gonna happen. And if you got a day, where it's like, oh crap, it's like, you get like in a panic in your head, fuck it, take the whole goddamn bottle. That's what I'm saying. Now you gotta remember, like with all kinds of, pharmaceutical products, you gotta remember sometimes there's side effects. So if you get any of these side effects, stop taking You Got It All right the fuck away and call your doctor. Or just go right the fuck over there. So like I said, it's You Got It All. You got it all. You get it. You want it. It's amazing. It's fucking the best shit ever. It cures hypochondria so fucking great, you wouldn't believe it. You take it all. You got it all.